it would help if I had brought a spoon.
We're gonna hand make the curry. Wait, scratch. Today we're gonna make the currywurst. And we're also going to do the store way. Today we're gonna make currywurst from scratch, or at least a curry ketchup from scratch. And today we're gonna make the currywurst, the curry ketchup from scratch. So, yeah.
Gosh darn it. Okay. I figured it out. Only took 4 times. Oh my God. Because of that stupid alarm, it wasn't going.
Yeah, I told you, that's what happened to me when my dad called. Get our... The pumpkin is...
No, I like the pumpkin.
Consume at your own risk.
Okay. I feel like I'm crooked. Am I crooked? Oh, thank God. That's all I have to say. You can turn off your camera.
It's good?
Yeah.
Yes, turn it off.
Wait, no! Hi,
Action! So, all right, let's wrap this up so we could get on to the next dish. But again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Definitely like and comment below. We appreciate it. Hope you and yours have a great holiday season. And I'm just looking forward to Thanksgiving. Let's get it going. See you next week.